trophies, medals, swords, belts.
Which one's your favorite?
I gotta say, for my medals, probably my Ground Zero one.
Mm-hmm. What about your boxing?
It's probably my belt.
Cool. You want to show me your boxing gloves?
You got your name on it.
Yeah, but it's not spelled correctly.
Yeah, it is.
Ames.
Oh, then later it came off.
Yeah.
Show them to me. Wow. Cool.
My name is James Askin. I've been training jiu-jitsu for about 3 years. I've been wrestling for like a few months, and I've been boxing for about a year. It's like I like contact sports, and it's like a fun way to get my energy out.
What makes you different from other fighters?
Because I just keep pushing, like in training. I won't give up. I keep pushing.
Where do you get that mentality from?
Because I want to win.
Why do you want to win?
So I can get like first place, and like I could build my record with all first place trophies and stuff. When I was like 4 or 3, my dad put me in karate, and like I went to karate to taekwondo. I went taekwondo to jiu-jitsu, and I'm still doing jiu-jitsu. Now I'm doing wrestling and boxing, and like karate was fun, and I kept going and doing different types of form of martial arts. When I get out of school, I do my homework, I have a snack, and then I either go to jiu-jitsu or jiu-jitsu or more wrestling.
My name is Danny Askin. I'm James Askin's daddy and Charlotte Askin's daddy. James right now is doing jiu-jitsu, he's doing boxing, he's doing Muay Thai, he's wrestling, and I'll push him as far as he wants to go, or let him walk away from any of it whenever he wants to.
What makes you feel good about training?
That I'm just training and I'm having fun, and I like this sport's my sport. I like doing it.
Is there any time you don't like the sport?
No.
Have you ever thought about quitting?
No.
Do you ever think you will quit?
No.
James has been doing jiu-jitsu since he's 5.5 years old. So James has done plenty of tournaments, and James, when he is mentally in the zone, James always shows up and does really well. So I actually submitted James's information to the organization, to the promotion, to try to get a match. And when they contacted us and said they had a potential matchup for him, as long as once we established that that it seemed fair, equal weight, equal age, equal training, we jumped on it, because I have full confidence in James when he's in the zone. I have full confidence that James can perform. So I told him the day we agreed on the fight that I will handle his conditioning and making sure he's ready, and then the jiu-jitsu training part of it, he'll take care of at his academy, because that wouldn't be my world, but I can handle this conditioning and make sure he's as physically fit and ready to go as possible. Emotionally getting James ready was a lot of repetitive stuff. Kept reminding James how good he was, how ready he was, how much training he's been doing. I let him know that I don't think it was possible for the other kid to have trained harder and be more ready than he was. With James and I were running 2 to 3 miles a couple days a week. James is a pretty even-keeled kid. He has his ups and downs, but he hides it pretty well. As far as motivating James, again, my role was just to try to show James that he was as ready as possible. I let him know that while we were out running in the street or running in the track at the gym, that the other kid was probably not doing that. We had a stressful weekend. I didn't sleep very well, because partly focus on keeping James calm in tune with himself, and also nervous for how he's going to perform and how he's going to emotionally handle everything. So the match was Saturday. I'd say Friday night into Saturday, I might have slept an hour.
Can you describe to me the feelings you had a couple days before the fight?
I just felt like I was like, I don't know how this is going to go. I mean, yeah. I just don't like when people talk to me before my fight. I just like no one talking to me.
What kind of like, when you're really nervous, what kind of other emotions are you feeling?
Wanting to be mean to other people.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Like who?
My sister. I just try to think I'm gonna win. I just say I'm gonna win to myself. It's just that I know there's like 200 people just sitting there watching me about to fight. Walking towards the octagon was very nervous. I felt like I was on a roller coaster. I feel like there's no one around me. I just feel like it's just me and him and the ref standing on the ring. It's just me feeling like I'm in training but trying to go really hard.
Underhook, James. Nice.
Hey, where's our elbow? Right elbow, right elbow. Stay there. Settle him down for a second. Move, Bo.
Heavy hips. Heavy hips, James.
Heavy, James. Let's go to the right. Knee on belly mount, James. Knee on belly mount. Knee on belly mount. Where's our frame? Where's our frame? Let's choke first, James. Let's choke first. Bridge, Bo. Yes. You gotta hit back. You gotta hit back. Underhooks. Keep that knee in, Bo. Head up, James. Head up, James. Head up, James. Step over, James. You gotta pull his elbow, Bo. If you're gonna choke. Nice, James. Bo, get up. Heavy, James. Get a guard. Get a guard. Pass that guard, James. Up and out, James. Up and out, James. Don't wait, James. Bo, he's extending. You gotta step. James, you can't choke there. Let's chop. Up and out, dude. 2 hands off. All the way up. 2 hands off. Get up the collar. Off the collar. Off the collar.
And ladies and gentlemen, let's hear for your winner out of the red corner, James Askin. Heavy.
Is there anybody that inspires you?
No, I mean Oliver.
Do you think you want to be a professional fighter when you grow up?
Yeah.
What steps are you going to take to get there?
like starting like little tournaments and doing bigger and then bigger.
Where do you see yourself in 15 years?
Me being a high level competitor.
Do you want to be a champion?
Yeah.